गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सभी का स्वागत है दीदी के साथ में यहाँ पर। और एक बार फिर से वो उत्साह से तालियों से दीदी का स्वागत करते हैं। आज यहाँ दीदी के आने से बहुत सारे लोग ज्वाइनिंग करने वाले हैं। तो उनमें से पहला नाम है विष्णुदास कोरगांवकर। He runs real estate and building company. So I welcome him. तालियों के साथ उनको प्रोत्साहित करते हैं प्लीज। सेकेंड है रोहिदास दादा देसाई। इज अ बिजनेसमैन एंड रिट्स क्लासिक के ओनर। एंड ही इज ऑल्सो अ फ्रीडम फाइटर। वेलकम यू सर। Thank you. Then we have Kennedy Alfonso. He runs an NGO called Goans for Goa, so welcome him. Sir. Then we have Ariston Pinto. He is a social activist. Welcome you, sir. Thank you, sir. Then we have Janice Pinto. She is a social activist. We welcome her.
Mr. Ariston Pinto, please. Mr. Kalandar Basha Sunkar.
Next we have Kanta Gowde. She is a straight renowned folk dancer and also vice chairman of Konkani Academy. Welcome you, sir. Round of applause, please. Then we have Colonel Kamal Banerjee. Is it retired colonel, served Indian Army from 1967 to 1976. Welcome you, sir. Big applause, please. Then we have Sharad Parabji, who is a social worker. Welcome you, sir. So next is felicitation program. Will start in a moment. First, as Didis arrived here, so we would like to felicitate first a lady, and she is Nayana Adarkar, who is Konkani poet and writer. Welcome you, madam. Next we have Suraj Pinde, who is reviving folk and Goa mentor to 12 Ghumad, Aarti and groups. Welcome you, sir. Next we have Francis Nithuem, a Konkani singer. Just now we heard him. He was so nice, so good. God bless you. Next we have Subodh Kerkar, famous Goan artist and founder of Museum of Goa. Welcome you, sir.
I have brought a small gift for Didi. I admire her immensely. When she won this great victory of hers in Bengal, I was with Kunal Ray, my friend, and we said, Aaj Anando. There was a massive big blast everywhere. And I really saw a dawn of hope for the country when in her victory in Bengal. We all like in Goa, we like Italian pasta, we like dhokla from Gujarat, we like chole bhature from Delhi, but I think we are definitely in love with fish curry from Bengal. And this is a pot which we use for making fish curry in Goa. And this is a little drawing I have made of a fisherman on the pot. It's a ceramic pot, and I would like to gift it to Didi.
Thank you very much, Subodh sir. Next we have Dr. Vinay Gundunath Bhuji, President of IIMA Goa chapter. Welcome you, sir. And he is a COVID warrior. Welcome you, sir. Next we have Winnie Fernandez, Headmistress of Special Able Children. Welcome you, madam.
I think it is a proud moment, and I am honored to meet all of you. And Goa is my favorite state. We love Goa. Everybody knows the name of Goa. It's an international place. And it is a international tourism place also. But we love fish, football, and folk songs, all, including the other cultural activities and all. We are proud of our culture, our heritage, everything. Goa, it is not that we are coming from outside to rule Goa. It is not, it's a wrong theory. We love the internal, just the inner people, insiders. They should work for Goa. From outside will be helpful for them because we have the similarity and we are the Indian. India is my motherland. If Bengal is my motherland, Goa is also my motherland. We can go anywhere, everywhere. When other party go, nobody question. When Trinamool Congress comes, why do you question? I think it is better, let us go for competition. Let us fight for unity. I believe in my life, we believe the secularism. It is not in the name of so-called secularism. We believe in real sense. The secularism and our fabrication of this constitution is our fabric. This is our foundation, that father of the nation, Gandhiji, to everybody. They work for peace, prosperity, development, unity for this country. And we will work for that. We are ready to die, but we are not going to bow down our head to BJP party or the dictators or the atrocious parties who are ruling our country in the name of income tax, in the name of agency, in the name of so-called torture, the civic society, from press media to everyone. And Goa has everything. The problem is leaderless. Kendi Delhi ka dadagiri is the only problem for Goa. We want to see that state is strong, federal structure is strong. We have to protect the cultural heritage, our language, everything, in every region, in every state. We are for that. We don't believe divide and rule. We believe my country is the best country of the world. It is one of the gold mine. It is a gold mine of democratic setup. But nowadays it's a matter of shocking. Sometimes Javed Akhtar, his music or his film is being, they said no allowed, not allowed, because he doesn't belong to BJP party. Though I do not know whether it is proper place to say all this or not, but I feel sad for that. We only consider ourselves as a human being. We love humanity, and humanity cannot divide the people. As a human being, let us work together. Let us work for country. We want to show the world, see, India is a place where anybody can go anywhere. Anybody can stay anywhere. And every individual, they have their own identity. And everybody is proud of their own identity. I am proud of my identity, you are proud of your identity. We love your culture because your rhythm of the music is very, very good and very, very strong. When whatever we heard the Hindi music and all, we love all. But Goa, the music, I'm telling you, the rhythm, sometimes in hill area also. I have seen in Darjeeling also. The rhythm is very good. And it is so bold. Only one line of music can give a message. Your culture is so strong. Today we met all the fishing community people. I went to fishing markets. I have visited some temples also. Even we have discussed with some political parties also regarding the development of Goa and the future of Goa. Some people are asking me why you are so interested for Goa. I said Goa is the gold mine for the next future. Let us start from Goa. What is the wrong? If you can visit, can you divide the sea or divide the hill or divide the river? You cannot. Then why do we divide only the caste? Why I feel ashamed sometimes to say that my title, I have got a title. Everybody has the title. We respect each and everybody. But I have to say that yes, I am a Brahmin. I have to say yes, I am a Hindu. We never thought of this. Because I feel that I am proud to say I am a common citizen. I am a simple human being. And we are the simple human being. In our body, you see, every parts of our body. We have legs, we have hands, we have eyes, we have liver, we have kidney, we have heart. Like this we have I am proud to say Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, Christians, Buddha, Hindus, Bauddha, Jain, Padoshi, Musulman, Christian. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। जब घायल हुए हिमालय खतरे में पड़े आजादी, जब ताकती सांस लड़े हो फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे धर पड़ माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ये हमारा देश है, ये हमारा महान देश है। We will walk together. Don't worry, I will be in Bengal, no problem, but I will try to come very often in Goa also. I have Digha, the good sea. You have Goa. Sometimes it was my slogan that I want to see Bengal sea will be just like Goa. And we have the sea beach also. We have the Bay of Bengal area also. So we know the people from divers to farmers to artists to players. You love football, we love football. Same similarity. You love fish, we love fish. You love pork, we also. So where is the difference? Only the mental pollution BJP is creating and spreading the poisonous air to the people. That's why I was not allowed to meet Pope. I was invited from Asia to attend this peace conference, but this government of India didn't allow me. They didn't give me the permission. They said it is not fit for you as a chief minister. How Prime Minister you are meeting Pope? For what politics? It is not fit for me, but it is fit for suit you. Whatever you digest for election and only to election, nothing else. You tell me what you deliver? Something different to say and something different to implement. Whatever we assured the people in our manifesto, we have done 100%. If it is not more than 120%. In our state, all total free medical treatment, from kidney transplantation to heart transplantation. Education, the girl child, from school, college, university, madrasa, all. University also. We give free cycles to all the students. We don't divide the Hindu and Muslims or Sikh or Ishai. We give smartphone to my 12th class student, everybody. Every student, the free of cost. I have 1 lakhs. It is about 2 lakhs. Artists, local artists, just like folk artists. We give 1,000 rupees pension every month. All the free ration we give Bengal. All the family is been covered by free ration, the free health treatment, the free education, and also even if anybody die, for cremation also we help. For marriage also we help. There are so many things. Even every woman, our population is very high, you know. It is about 11 crores. We have started Lakshmi Bhandar, one program to empower the women. It is, we give 1,000 rupees to SC/ST and 500 rupees to in general caste, in everybody. Every woman, they get it. We said that women's, they should be empowered. They can purchase something from their own pocket. They should not ask or they should not go for begging, give me the money. So like this, there are so many. Football, last month I gave 50,000 football to the village boys and girls also. Women football also very popular in our state. So like this, I have the madrasa, I have the school, I have the colleges, university, so many is coming up. And so many international university, our Calcutta University, Jadavpur University, the St. Xavier's University, Presidency University, and 42 new universities. We have a patch up with the international university like Harvard, Cambridge also. So if Bengal can do it, why Goa cannot do it? Goa have everything with them. They have their own tourism. Tourism is a #1 industry in Goa. Why there will be unemployment? Where is the policy? Policy is lagging behind. The scheme, the vision, the innovation. Nowadays, the innovation is matter. And our young generation, they have to stand in their own way. We have to help them. They can do anything and everything. We have to empower the women. Even I am in favor of cultural artists also. All the cultural artists, Bengal, 99% they are with us. Because we love them, we meet them, we greet them. We always mix up with them. Even press media also, we give full free treatment to them also. Journalists, they also get the pension. So nothing is left out. Every sector we worked. Now it is once again to take a decision. In my government, I am happy to say, well, I am in Goa, but I have cleared so many files. How? It is the beauty. Because when everything is settled, then nothing is left out for pending. Pendency is a tendency. I don't like this. We take a decision just immediately. I came to Goa earlier also for International Film Festival inauguration when I was a railway minister, 2010. I came to Goa to discover the railway anti-collusion device. Konkan Railway invited me, and Konkan Railway, with them I came to Madgaon. And now the railway accident is been stopped because of that ACT, anti-collusion device. It is your credit. Konkan Railway, Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation also, it is in my time. Delhi Metro also, it was pending. I cleared it. Like this, there are so many things. When I was a women child minister, I cleared National Commission on Women. Human rights also, I fought for that. I went to hunger strike 21 days, 26 days for the farmers' right. Now also we are totally in favor of farmers. जो अन्न देता है उसका अधिकार भी मिलना चाहिए. वो अन्न देगा और कोई उसको अधिकार छीन देगा. We are not in favor of that. We want that government must withdraw this blacklisted bill. ऐसे काम करते हैं. बस काम करना हमारा काम है. हम बोलते हैं कुछ और करते हैं कुछ. ये ठीक नहीं है. पॉलिटिशियन का फर्स्ट काम होना चाहिए whatever you speak, you do that. अभी ये टाइम आ गया, वक्त आ गया. अच्छे दिन वो नहीं होते जो सच्चे बात नहीं करते हैं, जो सच्चे अच्छा काम नहीं करते हैं. अच्छे दिन वही होता है जो अच्छे काम करते हैं, जनता का अधिकार चिंता नहीं है, और हर रोज एलपीजी का भाव बढ़ाओ. अब बहुत सारे परिवार है जब खाना नहीं बना सकते. डीजल का भाव देखो, पेट्रोल का भाव देखो, गरीब लोग मर रहा है और बीजेपी खजाना भर रहा है. खजाना खजाना, मेरे को हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है. यही है, यही चलता रहा है. Basically, if you have any question for me, you can ask me freely. I am a common man and I am a simple man. So, अगर आपका दिल में कुछ पूछना है, yes, you can ask. Thank you so much for coming over here, and I think I am honored because of your presence. हम अभी आएंगे, आते रहेंगे. और गोवा में हम बहुत पार्टी को पहले देख लिया, तृणमूल को कभी अब देखा नहीं. आप विश्वास दीजिए, भरोसा दीजिए. आई कैन एश्योर यू, फॉर यू पीपुल वी विल फाइट 100% एंड यू विल बी द विनर्स. दैट आई बिलीव. थैंक यू सो मच. आप कुछ बोलने चाहते हैं? डू यू वांट टू स्पीक समथिंग? अच्छा, माइक देखिए, अपना माइक, आपका माइक. আপনি বসে বলুন. ইউ আর এজেড ম্যান, প্লিজ প্লিজ একটা সিট দিন, ওনাকে বসতে দিন. তুমি বসো, ওখানে আরেকটা সিট আছে, একটা সিট দিচ্ছে. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আপনি বসে বলুন প্লিজ স্যার, বলুন. আপনি না, আপনি বসে বলুন না, আমরা অনার্ড হব আপনি বসে বললে. আপনি সো সিনিয়র এবং আপনি বাংলাদেশ ওয়ারে ফাইট করেছেন. আওয়ার কনগ্রাচুলেশন. বসুন বসুন.
Ladies and gentlemen, on your behalf, I welcome our dearest Didi here. I am in Goa, although I am a Bengali by birth and belong to Calcutta. Having completed my army career, I joined Goa Airport as a protocol officer, and thereafter I never left Goa because I fell in love with Goa, and I welcome Didi on your behalf. I'm sure you will also fall in love. You're already fallen in love, our conversation says. Now, all I have to tell you that Goa is an acronym. In my parlance, Goa is G for greenery all around, O for openness, and A for arrogancy. Goa should be treated as an acronym. And people here, Didi told 3-4 items like that: go, fish, football. Yes, those are very much here, and those are very much in Bengal. But one more thing I will say: here we get fraternity. Bhaichara is very important. I have said while standing in the queue, there is no problem. My best friend is Yusuf Khan. We stay almost door to door in Double A. And he is my first friend in Goa.
Mike.
Ladies and gentlemen, I again welcome Didi. All the best.
Our humble regards to you. Thank you so much. You want to say something? Yes. First. Derek, give the mic to this man. First bench. अच्छा, हाँ, मैनिफेस्टो अभी टाइम है, इतना जल्दी करने का जरूरत नहीं है. अभी हम काम शुरुआत किया है. मैनिफेस्टो करने मेरे को 1 आवर लगेगा, ज्यादा नहीं लगेगा, कि गोवा को बहुत अच्छा तरह पहचान किया. डेरेक ওনাকে দাও না, উনি চাইছেন. ওই পাঞ্জাবি পরে আছেন যে ভদ্র, ফার্স্ট বেঞ্চ.
Mamta ji, I just want to ask, shall we understand that this is the launch of Trinamool Congress as a national party and Mamta ji as the future Prime Minister of India?
Yeah! Oh, yeah! Mamta ji is always. I want to continue as a commoner. I am not very important person. I am very less important person. And I can tell you that we launched Trinamool Congress because the need of the hour is to fight BJP. If we can't fight, then they will finish the country and they will sell the country. How they are selling everything and killing and torturing the people. Even yesterday when I came, Goa is my motherland. Can't I come to Goa? They have shown me the black flag. I said namaste. मैंने नहीं बोला I want to show you the black flag in Bengal. No, I never said. I said namaste. Thank you so much. This is our culture, Indian culture. We will continue to do that with our promise. It is not a matter of Prime Minister or no Prime Minister. We launched Trinamool Congress for the betterment of Goa and for the peace, prosperity, development of Goa and also for the future of India. Yes, Goa it will start Goa to India.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening. It's been a fascinating...
allow 2-3 persons again.
3 more questions. Okay. Hands up. Yeah.
Bolo.
Just a second. Yeah.
When you can speak Konkani also, I may pick up.
Now let's speak Bengali. Kemanaksham Didi.
Balo, thank you so much.
My name is Abdul Qadir Ghazi. Can I call you Iron Lady of India? तो मैं ये सवाल करना चाहता हूं आपसे कि आखिरी 3 महीने बचे हैं इलेक्शन के लिए, लास्ट मोमेंट में तक क्यों आया?
इसी के लिए आया। हमारा इलेक्शन तो था अभी ना, हमने बीजेपी का टर्चर देख लिया। They went there just like a Delhi passenger. How they misuse their power, how they torture the people, how they torture the democracy. That attitude to finish the democratic system. That's why we don't want fascism or the atrocities. We want development, democracy and dedication, determination. That's why how we fought the battle in Bengal, we will fight the battle throughout the country because there are other political parties, they are not taking initiative. That's why if somebody is to build the cat, we are trying our best to help the people. 3 months or 2 months is not a matter. When I started Trinamool Congress, it was only 1 month, 22 days. I contested the election and we got 7 parliament seats.
We're good for some more questions.
Please.
Yes, madam. 2022 के चुनाव में अगर गोवा तृणमूल कांग्रेस को लोकल पार्टी को लेके गठबंधन अगर ऐसा स्थिति आई तो आप करेंगी क्या?
अगर पूरा आपको हम अभी बता दे तो कैसे हो गया? हम थोड़ा ही एस्ट्रोलॉजर है, हम सिचुएशन के ऊपर निर्भर करते हैं ना। जो बीजेपी का साथ एडजस्ट नहीं करेगा, अपन को बेचेगा नहीं, गोवा को बेचेगा नहीं, देश को बेचेगा नहीं, हम वही करेगा गोवा का जो अच्छा होगा।
Mamta Didi, Devbaraji's Dilduka. I am from Assam now. I have come here with only one agenda, all the way around 75 kilometers.
Oh, many thanks.
I have come here with a small vision which I have been discussing with lot of TMC ground group people up to Prashant Sir Kishore. At this time, as that gentleman said, is it not too short? It may not be too short to you. But what I look at the vision is, if TMC would want to go alone, my vision says TMC should take the other like-minded national parties together if you want to fight BJP today. This is my only humble request, if you can consider it and give a thought on that if we can come together as one team, because everybody's enemy is number one. Thank you very much.
Only the problem is, what the other parties, they surrendered. We never compromise. And that's why earlier also, it was not the BJP terms to form the government. But how these 10, 12 MLAs, they change the, stealing the party MLAs and they form the government. We want to see first the credentials, the credibility, the commitment. Because power is no matter to me. What matters, it is the seriousness, the sincerity, the commitment, and work for the people. We will work for the people. I can assure you, you don't worry. If Trinamool is strong, then they will realize, they will come to us. If Trinamool is not strong, they will go to BJP. And that will be a, mutual understanding. I don't want that. Thank you so much.
Okay. The Chief Minister of West Bengal has 2 more questions. Yes. You've just asked one, sir. So let's give somebody else a chance. I mean, your friend. Yes. Yes. Yeah. There's a microphone which has gone there. Yes.
Hello. Good evening. So my name is Shishir Param, and I'm a student of Goa University. So what I want to ask is, in Goa we have many colleges. So what happens is, suppose if there is a course in one particular college, so we take maths. So if there are 10 colleges offering maths, so what happens is, in those 10 different colleges, the fees are different. So by chance, if TM forms a government here, can we expect from TMC that the fees taken from the colleges will be same particular course?
You see, the problem is with the private and the government. Government, we have the policy, we have the free education policy. But for private, we have the bills, we have some system. Even from the private clinics also, nursing home also. Sometimes the nursing home, they takes too much money. There we have a clinical establishment commission. Like this, education also we have a policy. Even I met the people, the private institutions, and requested them not to take more from the students where they will get it. And that's why we started one smart card students, 10 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs we are giving credit to the students, so that they can go for engineering, or they can go for medical college, or they can go to abroad. That money also we are giving. That card we have started, already launched. Goa also will consider that.
We've had 9 questions. We must take a 10th, but can we have a question from a lady? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Give it the mic, please. Yes.
Acha, what specific question? Give the mic to him. I also want to know.
Good evening, madam.
Yes.
I'm Vilpat Tiklo, Goinchar Agandar, member, citizen, taxpayer. Now I have a question with our Goa economy. You know, we are borrowing money every month from the central government or whichever, and our economy is in bad state. Now we have a mining recovery, a loot of 35,000 crores, which is pending. If this money was with the government of Goa today, we didn't have to borrow money, and our lives would have been much better, especially of the poorer people. Now what would be TMC's role if you all come to power, you all have an alliance, and what would be your role to recover the loot and stop the illegalities or carry on? This is my specific question.
My specific reply is, though I am not discussing about the manifesto, I said it will be done within an hour. I know there are some mining are closed, mining policy. There should be a mining policy. Number 2, there will be a welfare board for the fishing communities, for taxi drivers, for the unemployed youth, to give more power to women, the women empowerment. Like this, we will include all this in our manifesto, because let me discuss this matter with other people also, so they can give so many suggestions. So we will welcome the suggestions from different corners also. The time is not running out. For manifesto, I said 1 hour is enough. We know something, but you know something better than us because you are a local people. That's why we'll collect all the information. Our people will have already started their working. So they will give us the information, and after that we'll decide the policy. Mining, I know the loot is going on and everything, and people are also unemployed I know. Thank you. Yes, please.
Yeah, Mamta ji, you have told us about fish curry, everything that you like this, that. You have not told us about the man on your left. He's from Asolna. I think he should be our brand ambassador in Goa.
आपने बोला और हमने उसको हम बोलते हैं ये तो गोल्ड माइन है. आप माइनिंग का बात अभी किया ना, he is a gold mine. So this boy, I know him from the childhood. His father, Base Page, Leander Page, he is pride of us. We are very much proud. And I will request Leander to say something to you also. Mike though, Mike. Leander, say something, your feelings.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to thank each and every one of you personally for joining us in a new dawn. I'd like to humbly thank Mamta Didi for this opportunity, because when I was a 14-year-old boy, I embarked to represent all of you in the world. At that time, Mamta Didi was the sports minister of India. And back in 1987, there were no foreign credit cards, foreign bank accounts, there was no foreign currencies. But this powerful lady, as a sports minister then, sanctioned a young Indian boy, foreign exchange, and got corporates to sponsor my tennis. I've got to say humbly that your going boy Leander Paes would not be who I am today without Mamta Didi. To my fellow brothers from Asolna, from South Goa, where my granny Marlak Paes is from. Goa, coming back home to my roots now, after 30 years of representing you around the world, I've strived hard to do every Indian proud. And tennis was my vehicle for 30 years. Now the vehicle has just changed. I still bleed for the saffron, white and green. I still want to make a difference to every single Indian in our country. Yes, my mother's Bengali. Yes, my father's Goan. But I bleed India. We come from the largest democracy in the world. Mamta Didi, with her vision and her courage, she said today earlier, in my first meeting with her, she said, I'm not a big man, but I tell you this, in my humble eyes and my humble heart, Mamta Didi is a true champion. As far as I'm concerned, I come back to my roots to serve you. I come back to my roots to play my part in doing the best that I can to make a difference to every single Indian's life. Because whether it is sport or whether it is politics, it does not matter what color you are, what caste you're from, what religion you have. It does not matter what food you eat or what fashion you wear. Because we are Indians and we must strive to do better for our country. So from my side, I make a pledge that as I've done for 30 years in the vehicle of tennis, that I will follow in the guidance of Mamta Didi. And I will serve every single one of you the best way that I can. Like I did at Wimbledon, so shall we do in Goa. Thank you. God bless.
So So Leander himself proved he is a good leader. He is more than politician. So केंद्राची दादागिरी आणिक नक्का. So Derek O'Brien, let us go for Janagana Manadi.
Okay. Now
Women, you said don't want women. Yes, lady. No women said.
Yes, there.
Yes.
मैम हमारी मातृभाषा कोंकणी आहे.
प्लीज आप कोंकणी में बोलने से मैं सीख जाएंगे.
आमची मातृभाषा कोंकणी आणि कोंकणी खातीर खूप योगदान दिले. सगळे खूप फायट करून आमकां कोंकणी आमकां मेळची पडली. पण ही अजूनही राजभाषा काय चालीक लागूना. खरें आमची कोंकणी खातीर कोंकणी सतत फाटी उडयता. प्रत्येक फावट दुसरी भाशा येता आनी हें करता. आनी कोंकणी आमकां दुय्यम स्थान मेळ्ळा हांगा. आमकां सारकें स्थान मेळना. आनी त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता की तृणमूल आयले जाल्यार आमच्या कोंकणी खातीर कितें करतली. राजभाषा चालीक लागतली. एक रिक्वेस्ट. खरें आमी खूब स्ट्रगल केला. सगळें दामोदर सांगा शिवदास आसा. खूब त्रास करून आमी कोंकणी हाडली. पण कोंकणीक अजूनय राजभाषाचे दर्जो मेळूना. आनी ते खूब त्रास जाता म्हाका. त्या खातीर तुमी येतका आमचे कोंकणी भाशेक राजभाषेचो दर्जो मेळून दिवचो अशें तुमचे रिक्वेस्ट.
नहीं देखो, लैंग्वेज इज अ वेरी सेंसिटिव सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है ना. इसी लिए यू गेव योर सजेशन एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड कोंकणी लैंग्वेज दैट यू रियलाइज्ड वॉट एवर यू सेड कोंकणी को राजभाषा कहने के लिए यू सेड. सो you will get your proper respect, that I can assure. But language is very sensitive. We have to respect each language, each other language. We should not deviate from our country's point of view or the state point of view. The local, we want that state should be strong, state language should be strong. But there are some people also, they speak their own language. That we cannot stop, that you don't speak. It is their freedom of choice. So your language will get the priority that already whoever is Konkani, your local language, everybody knows that. And we prefer the local language, no problem. Even you will are surprised to see in Bengali, there are so many local languages. Bengali within the Bengali. Some people, some district, their pronunciation is something different. But we can understand. We have the similar language, the Assamese. We understand Assamese. We understand Marathi. Because we have the understanding of this similarity. We understand even sometimes the Punjabis. Kannada also we can understand because of their Sanskrit. My state language is Bengali.
So I want our state language to be Konkani. And it is not, they are not...
you said about Rajbhasha.
Rajbhasha.
That means Hindi is the Rajbhasha, you state language.
My state language is
I do not know what is the government policy. Let us discuss this matter with the people. Because without knowing into details, I cannot comment. But of course your local language, whatever you speak, whatever you take food, whatever is your culture, you have to protect your culture, your language, your... structure, everything, heritage. This is your identity. You cannot, we don't want that you should lose your identity. We want to strengthen your identity. So you will appreciate within a day I understand Konkani.
Thank you everyone for cautioning and answering of Devi. So I have a small caution to Leander that we heard from media that you're leaving from Goa. Yeah, you're living in Goa or back to Bombay? Please, we want this answer.
Well, like my brother said, from Asolna, my grandmother Marlak is from South Goa. And every time I used to come to Goa, I would keep it very quiet because it was the 10 days I had off from the tennis tour. But I've spent many years spending a lot of time in Goa, in South Goa. I do live in Goa now. I have a home here. I've traveled this whole country from north to south, east to west. And as much as I spend my time here, I bleed saffron, white and green. And I feel that in Goa we can lead by example. whether it is mining, whether it is fishing, whether it is tourism, whether it is taxi, whether it is the underprivileged, whether it's the youth, whether it is college, and it can go on and on and on. Living here in Goa, I realize there is a huge opportunity that Goa can lead by example as the best state in our country. I am proud to live here, I am proud to be a Goan, and I am proud to serve you.
Actually, Goa have everything with them. Even their economic mechanism. They earn too much money also from tourism or from other things I am not mentioning, but the policy is not there. Instead of development, they are looting the money. So the money is going into the hands of few people, not all the people. That is the problem. So I can mention what Abraham Lincoln said, that you can fool some of the people some of the time. You can fool some of the people for a few times, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Only the political उल्टा पलटा जो बोलता है वो जुमला ना क्या बोलता है, गड़बड़ करता है. पॉलिटिक्स में ज्यादा हम लोग अच्छे बात तो नहीं करते हैं, झूठा बात करते हैं, वोट लेते हैं, उसके बाद भाग जाता है. That is their problem. And my party, if they do it, I will be the last person to tolerate that. Because हमारा पास ये है कि हम अगर कुछ कहते हैं तो that is the commitment. और कुछ नहीं है. जिंदगी भर तो संघर्ष किया, जिंदगी भर लड़ाई किया, कितना पीटा है मेरे को. How they tortured me. You do not know. I have my brain operation because they hit me, the CPM leftist people at that time on my heads. I was about to die. Parliament was adjourned. You people may not be knowing. From my head to eye to legs to hands to belly, every part of my body is operated. But how we are fighting? It's the mental energy, the mental strength. Swami Vivekananda said, if you think yourself you are weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself you are strong, strong you will be. Have that strong guts. We are bold. We are bold, we are brave, and we know that whatever it comes, if there is a commitment, I know BJP, they will try again to push up the agencies and all this to Trinamool Congress. We don't mind for that. We will fight it out. We will fight it out. And we want to see that Goa must be the winners. And they will show the way for the country's future. In that case, Goa is the gold mine. And let it be the gold mine. With these words, my humble regards to all of my elders, my best wishes to all my brothers and sisters. Please consider me not as outsider, consider me as your sister. I also need a small home in Goa. Means I will hire it so that sometimes we can come. So for party, everybody, because every day we cannot stay hotel. Our party is not that expensive. Kholi, kholi, chal. हाँ, that I like. If you see my house in Kolkata, then you will feel proud. मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I love the sweet home. And your houses is also like this. Your architecture is very good. Your architecture is really excellent. So, आपका अगर भरोसा है तो हम आपका साथ 100% रहेगा, ये वादा हम करते हैं. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, जय गोवा, जय बांग्ला, जय वाणी. Let us work together for the prosperity, peace, development. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Didi, and thank you everyone for coming here. Thank you so much. Have a great
Thanks
evening.
to you also, Priya.
Please join us for the high tea served over there.
I am not joining the high tea. Let them, you please lead. You please, Leander, you lead. You lead the team for high tea. Felipe,